Talk about your run. Are you stumped?
No, not at all.
Okay, well, me not kill it. You got the shit. That was ill.
Right now, dropping in. This is Phil Casabon.
Phil Casabon clean 270 on right there. Back 270 out of the double kick.
Got it.
And yes, a better landing on that trick than we've seen from him throughout the day so far. Nice looking 630 tail grab out of that cannon box as well. There's the big right side 900. Casabon grabbing tail very nicely on that switch 1080. What we see? The switch double Japan 12. Boom! Taking it to the bottom.
In the balance.
Casabon patiently awaiting.
What was it? What happened?
Score coming in.
He lands at the bottom. Boom.
He has moved into third place.
Yes, sir. Stoked on my last run. Finished up 4th at X Games. A spot better than last year, so couldn't be more stoked. Missed the podium, but whatever. Next year, baby. Yeah. Orage, tabarnak. 2010, esti.